Hello everyone, I am Urologist Ömür Erdem Akkaya. Today we are going to talk about Yohimbine. Yohimbine is one of the supplements actively used for erectile dysfunction all over the world. It's made from the bark of a tree in Africa. It's been sold all over the world for about 50 or 60 years. It was popular until the 2000s when the little blue pills came out. It's still popular, but of course it's not as popular as it used to be. It's declined a little bit. Yohimbine is banned for sale and production in Turkey. I see patients who obtain Yohimbine from abroad and use it. The results of the studies are as follows. In studies where only Yohimbine was used, it showed benefit in patients with erectile dysfunction at a rate of 70 to 40%. But there are also many publications that say it does nothing. When we look at PubMed, there are about 26,000 publications on Yohimbine. The last meta-analysis was published in 2022. They evaluated 8 placebo-controlled publications. In these placebo-controlled publications, some of the patients are given the empty drug and some are given Yohimbine. And they compare them. They said that the empty drug has almost the same effect as Yohimbine. The other result is that if the patient is receiving any treatment for erectile dysfunction, adding Yohimbine to it may result better. You should not expect too much when using Yohimbine, but it can also be good for your erectile dysfunction. But the most important thing I have to say is that I have researched many other supplements and I have not come across anything strange. But I have read many scientific papers showing that people have been poisoned or died while using Yohimbine. Indeed, I don't know why, but the patients used high doses of Yohimbine. They used about 10, 15 times, 20 times the normal dose of Yohimbine. And some people died or were poisoned due to high doses of Yohimbine. Therefore, it is absolutely necessary to use it with caution. You should not use high doses, even if you see a beneficial effect. People sometimes mistakenly think that because this product is natural, they can use it as much as they want. But unfortunately bad things can happen, problems can occur. Yohimbine is one of those products. It needs to be used very carefully. At the same time, since it acts through alpha receptors, it can sometimes cause problems with blood pressure medications. When used together with the anti-hypertension drug called clonidine, it raises blood pressure instead of lowering it. In fact, there is a case report of a brain hemorrhage and a case of high blood pressure in the emergency room. You have to be careful. Yohimbine is a product that can be used for erectile dysfunction. But you should not expect too much. But as I said, you need to use it very carefully. If you see any side effects, you should definitely contact your doctor. Thank you for listening, best regards.